All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the tools that Astro Pneumatic sent me. All right, so Astro Pneumatic sent me some tools a while ago. I did a, not an unboxing, but a first impressions video, and I figured I would share how they've done. First up, the spark plug sockets. Now, primarily I have used this guy, the same size that I used in the Matco gear wrench kit. And I have not used it at all with a Milwaukee stubby impact to remove spark plugs, ever. And magnet hasn't broken, didn't break spark plugs, it works well. So, really happy with them, definitely good design. No real problems with it, nothing to complain about, it works well. Obviously, I don't use an impact to install spark plugs, but on occasion do remove them with them. All right, so they also sent me a bunch of ratchets in basically different configurations in ratchet size versus drive head. The 1/2 inch in the 3/8 body and a couple different 3/8 sizes in 1/4 inch bodies. And honestly, this is the one I did not expect to be used that much, is the one I've used a bunch. I've had a bunch of situations where I had to use a 1/2 inch drive socket, and I don't have any sort of electric ratchet in 1/2 inch. And honestly, I don't have a 1/2 inch drive in this drive length other than an old Craftsman. So I've used this several times. It's come in very handy. Honestly, I had to use a 1/2 inch drive socket on a cylinder head temp sensor on a back of a Ford cylinder head, and let's just say it came out slow the entire way. I could not just reach in there and turn it. I had to sit there and ratchet it out. This came in really handy, as odd as that is. And in case you're wondering, a adapter on a 3/8 would not have worked because I needed to use a deep well and there's only so much room. So unfortunately, this came in really handy in that situation. So this is the tool that I expected it to be one of these. I expected, really honestly, it to be this guy. This 3/8 long and a 1/4 inch body is the one I figured I would use a bunch, and no, it's been the 1/2 inch drive, and it's done really well. I'm really happy with it. You know, fine teeth. So it's been really nice to have. I mean, I honestly, it comes in handy. So I hope you like this little overview of everything I've used. So I hope you like my update on the Astro tools that they've sent me, and definitely some stuff to check out. As I've said before, I will put links in a pinned comment if you want to buy any of this stuff. They are affiliate links, so if you do click on them and buy from them, I do get a little bit of a kickback, which helps the channel. Over the years, as I've said many times, over the years I've given Astro Pneumatic lots of money and been very happy about spending my money with them because they always put out great stuff. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.